Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to send data from one activity to another activity. Now this is part 2 of my last video, and in that video I showed how to create an extra activity. For example, here I had a main activity only, then I showed how to create a second activity or another activity, and then if you don't if you don't remember, we did that using this code, and we did a certain amount of other things as well, but if you want to see that video you can go ahead and see that. Anyway, in this video I'm going to show you how to send data from one activity to another activity. For example, you are here and you wanted to send some data to this activity, so I'm going to show how to do that. Alright, so in order to do that, what you do is you use a method of the intent class called putExtra, and I'm going to explain how this putExtra works within a second. Give me a second, and then edit text, get text, TrueString. See, this putExtra method is a method that that works in value and a key and value pair. What I mean by that is that when you use this method, you have to give a key, that is this here, and you have to give the value that you want to send. Now what is this key? Actually, what happens is that when you go to the second activity, then there you will have to extract, or you will have to receive the data that we are sending through this intent. Now when you are receiving it from there in the second activity, your Android application needs to recognize or recognize which data you are looking for. For example, I could actually send another data here, right? I could send something like intent dot putExtra, and then I could give another different key, like different key, and then I could send something else, like something else. See, now when I have sent this data, both of these here. Now when I'm extracting this, how do I know that which one I have to extract? Do I extract this information or that information? And in that case, this key, it comes into play. What we do is that when we extract the information, we use this key to recognize that, okay, computer, don't just receive any information, extract any information, extract this information, this specific information specifically, or this specific information specifically, like this one. So that's what happens. Another thing I want to explain is that this putExtra method, it will save your data in a key and value pair in a bundle object. Now what is a bundle object? That's a class, bundle class, and in this class saves data dynamically. Now what do I mean by dynamically? What I mean by dynamically is that when your data will be saved only as long as your app is running. When you close the app, the data will vanish. So that's about it. Now let's go to the second activity, and here we are going to receive the activity. And then we are going to extract the activity using our value key, and then we are going to show that activity in this text, right? In this text. All right, so let's do that. Let's do this. What we do is that we first we take the intent. My mistake. If you in case don't know, any class name starts with capital letter, so I started with a smaller letter. That's why that problem happened. Intent equal to new intent. All right. Now what we do is that with this intent, let's just get oh no, my mistake. We don't need a new intent, actually we need get intent method. Now this get intent method, what it will do is that it will get the intent that invoked or that started this activity. The next thing that we do is that okay, so intent, we have taken the intent that started this this activity, and now we are going to get the extract the data inside it. Now the method that we use is get extras. Now as I said that the put extra method in the previous activity, previous Java file, it had saved the data in a bundle object. So when we are getting the data back, what we need to do is we have to put this get extra, that just this data that we have just extracted from this intent to a bundle object. For example, bundle like this, bundle equal to intent dot get extras. We did that. Now all right, now we need to specifically extract the strings that we had sent in this intent, and that is now here in this bundle object, because we have extracted that in here. So let's do that. What we do is that bundle dot get string, that's the method that we use to get the string, and then here this is the place where we this is the place where our key comes into play. The key, one of the key was recognize me. See, this is going to help the this thing recognize what we want. Now what happened? Wait a second. Oh, this is a string, right? So string. Now we have our string, and let's just put it somewhere. So string text view equal to this text view is string. Now what we have to do is very simple, text view dot set text, and inside that we give text view string that we have just extracted. So as you can see, we are done coding, and let's just start the emulator. Alright, so my emulator is ready to go. I paused the video because emulators are usually slow. Alright, so if we say write something here, like write something fun. Okay, Tom chased Jerry. Go to next activity. See, Tom chased Jerry. So that just happened. Thank you for watching the video, and that's about it. I will create another video on this about doing something fun in a different video. For now, that is how we do it.